We are going to be removing metal grips from a 2007 GSXR today. Yeah, look at these winners, huh? Like that, the pink. The pink this is what everyone wants when they get a sport bike, some pink grips that are metal and your gloves don't grip. We should be able, I think these are glued on, but we should be able to twist this and get it started moving. And once it's broken free from the adhesive, we should just be able to pull it off. Just gonna grab it and we're gonna twist against it. There it goes. We're twisted free now, so we're just gonna see if we can just pull it off and twist while we twist. So twist and pull, twist and pull. So if anyone wants some free pink metal grips, I've got some for you. We don't really want any adhesive residue. It looks like there's not really much on here anymore, but we're going to be safe because we don't want to get halfway on with our new grip and then just get stuck and that's the end of it. So I'm just taking a little brake clean and a Scotch-Brite pad and I'm just going to clean this off real fast. Holy smokes. Here's a tip. Don't get brake clean on your paint. All right, we're gonna go ahead and put a grip on this side first before we go to the side that's gonna suck, which is the throttle side. Pro tip though, and if you've watched any video about doing this, you already have seen this before, but when you get your grips, they're gonna be two different sizes. There's gonna be a smaller one and a bigger one. Smaller one goes on the clutch side, bigger one's gonna go over your throttle tube. So don't screw that up, it would be very sad. We are going to use some isopropyl alcohol. I just have the 70% variety here. We're going to just squirt this down this grip and on this handlebar as a lubricant. It's going to dry up real fast and it's going to lock on their saw so this sucker doesn't move around. So we'll just squirt some of this in here. Let's get it all over everywhere. Nice and wet. We're going to just put a little bit on our clip on and we're just going to take it and wedge it on. We'll wedge it. Oh boy. And we're going to wiggle it on. Might have to twist it some. Oh boy, we're in trouble. All right, new plan. We're gonna heat this thing up on the little space heater because it's Kansas in late November and it's cold. Okay, plan B. We're going with Windex this time. The isopropyl alcohol usually works, but these are it's serrated, so that the grip holds really well, but also then the grip's really hard to put on. So same plan. We're going to squirt it down in here, get it all nice and lubricated. We're also going to spray this guy. Why not, really? That ought to do, right? Okay, same thing. We're going to stick her on here. And we're going to... This is really hard. I'm going to push from the bottom while I do this. There, perfect. Okay, anyway, as I was saying, heat the grip thoroughly, then apply your Windex. Then it'll just slip right on. See? Easy. Well, now we're on to the fun one here, the throttle tube side. So we gotta be careful. We don't want to break the plastic tube or the throttle assembly when we take this puppy off. But it's more or less, glued to this plastic tube that's underneath this. So we don't want to screw any of this up. So, what I found on this particular bike that works pretty well is I'm going to take the throttle back just a little bit, I'm going to grab it with these here pliers. So we don't want to move the throttle tube against where it stops and turn. Oh, okay. Some leverage. We're just gonna pull and twist. Might just have to work it back and forth for a while. That's okay, we got time. Now the alternative way would have been to just cut this off, which I certainly thought about. But I don't want to break this plastic tube because I don't want to replace it. We still may cut it off. It's getting kind of tight. I'm going to trim this puppy back a little bit because this part appears to be rubber. Yeah, look at that. Easy. Let's make this as easy as possible. So now we have this going for us. These grips are old and tired, so no problem, right? Alright, let's see if that actually helped us or made it worse. Oh, hell yeah. That came off. I preheated the sucker on the space heater. It's nice and squishy now. I'm going to Windex it on the inside. I'm going to Windex this guy. We're going to give ourselves every chance here. Alright, and we're just going to get her started. And wedge it on. See? Easy.
We just need to live without a purpose.
Now, here's an important thing. Make sure after you do this that your throttle tube still moves okay. It doesn't get bound up here. But we're good. Now we have nice new rubber and not metal grips that my gloves will actually work with. If this video helped you, then don't even think about subscribing because I do these like once every year or so. So don't touch that subscribe button. Definitely don't hit the like button. And I'll see you next time.